welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this video, we are going to see how to fix script error. An error has occurred in the script on this page. Now just go to your Internet Explorer or Microsoft Edge. In top right corner, there is a three dot button. Just click on that. In it, you can able to see the option settings. Just click on settings option. At bottom there is an option restart settings. Now just click on the restart settings button. In right side, click on the restart settings to the default values and give reset. Now after trying these methods, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is very useful for you. If you really like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe. See you all next video. Bye bye. Take care.